Millennium Technologies, we believe that prior preparation to your cylinder and parts is a key step to a successful build. That's why it's important to carefully inspect and prep your cylinder when it arrives. Let's walk through the process. First, inspect the box itself for any signs of damage. Occasionally, parts may be taped to the outside or tucked under the packing material inside the box. Make sure not to throw anything away without thoroughly checking. Next, carefully examine the cylinder for any shipping damage. The sooner any issues are discovered, the faster they can be addressed. We offer a 30-day return window if issues are discovered. Set up a clean workspace using lint-free shop towels. This step is critical for keeping your parts clean and ready for assembly. Now, take a non-oil solvent like acetone, lacquer thinner, or brake cleaner and wipe down the bore. These solvents are ideal due to their quick drying properties. If you don't have solvents on hand, high-quality dish detergent with hot water works as well. For two-stroke engines, use a clean, soft, bristled brush to reach into the ports and power valve areas. Thoroughly clean the bore, base, head gasket areas, and any pockets or cooling channels. If you have compressed air available, now's a great time to blow any remaining dust off the cylinder, stud holes, and top-end parts. Apply a clean, thin spirit oil to a new shop towel and gently wipe the cylinder bore. You may need to change towels several times to make sure the cylinder wall is completely free of dirt and debris. Don't forget to clean all top-end parts, including the piston and rings. A commonly missed step in the preparation process is the piston rings. It is crucial you clean your piston rings, just like your cylinder. Oil from the manufacturing process should be removed to ensure a proper fit and function. Your cylinder is fully cleaned once your towel shows no sign of contamination. Additional steps to a successful build, including checking and setting the ring end gap on your piston rings. Please follow the piston manufacturer instructions for proper ring end gap specifications. We offer this service in-house upon request. Do not assume it is correct without measuring the gap. When you are ready to install your cylinder and piston, make sure you coat your parts with an assembly lube for easy installation. Do not install your parts dry. By following these steps, you ensure that your engine parts are prepped and ready for a flawless assembly. At Millennium Technologies, we're dedicated to providing the highest quality components for your ride. Remember, careful preparation leads to peak performance.